Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, June 3rd. Today I'm going to read for you from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening, and then we're going to do a short reflection around this. The chapter today is titled, Giving Up What No Longer Works. Burning your way to center is the loneliest fire of all. You'll know you have arrived only when there is nothing else to burn. At first, this sounds rather somber, but from Moses to Buddha to Jesus, the deepest among us have all shown that living is a process of constantly paring down until we carry only what is absolutely essential. It is the same in the human journey as in the natural world. As the center grows stronger, what once was protective turns into a covering, like tree bark or snake skin that is now in the way. And sooner or later, we as spirits growing in bodies are faced with burning old skins, like rags on sticks, to light our way as we move deeper and deeper into the inner world, where the forces of God make us one. When faced with the need to keep going inward, we are confronted with a very difficult kind of life choice, like carving up your grandmother's table for firewood to keep your loved ones warm, or leaving a job that has been safe and fulfilling in order to feel vital again, or burning an old familiar sense of self because it's gotten so thick you can't feel the rain. In truth, always needing to stay immediate by removing what is no longer real is the working inner definition of sacrifice, giving up with reverence and compassion what no longer works in order to stay close to what is sacred. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be soft and easy, completely natural. There is nothing to fix about your breathing right now. Just allow a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom to emerge, so that all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to reflect on the edge of yourself that meets the world. This bark of the tree, this skin of the snake, the part of you, the edge of you that meets the world. Maybe you can sense it physically, maybe it's just a subtle sense, energetic. Whatever it is for you, however you experience it, feel the thickness of this edge that meets the world. Continuing to breathe nicely, softly, naturally. Now feel the inner edge of yourself, the edge that meets your spirit. Feel its softness. And now take a moment to set an intention or to pray for the edge that is you to be as thin as possible. The edge that faces your spirit to be as thin as possible. And the edge that faces the world to be only as thick as necessary. Pray for the edge that is you to be as thin as possible and only as thick as necessary, precisely so that you can experience the spaciousness and freedom that allows all the experiences of the present moment to easily pass through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May the edge that is me be as thin as possible and only as thick as necessary. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. How can you live your life so that the edge that is you can be as thin as possible most of the time and only as thick as necessary when life calls for it? As always, enjoy your discoveries. And if you feel inspired to share, please do so. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.